at IndiaWood 2026, celebrating it with Cefla. We have Mr. Diego with us. So how's the show going on for Cefla, and what are the new products you are showcasing in this event?
Hello to everyone, and we are Cefla Finishing, an Italian group based in the north of our country. We are specialized in equipments for surfaces finishing and decoration. Thanks to our portfolio, we can serve almost any kind of need in this field. We are capable to provide many different technologies: spray coating, roller coating, digital printing, lamination, wrapping, anything you need for a better surface in your company.
How you measure the effectiveness of the show, especially when it comes to India?
Yeah, we believe a lot in the positive effect of IndiaWood. Not the first time that we exhibit with our own booth, and we trust that this is a perfect occasion to meet as many people as possible coming from any part of this country. So it's a perfect occasion to share ideas with our valuable clients and partners.
According to you, how do you see the Indian market? What are the promises and what are the challenges?
There are big expectations from the Indian markets. Since a while, the rumors are of an impressive growth in the next years. So we made our evaluations, and the forecast is very impressive. So we are dedicating a lot of attention to this area, and our aim is to invest much more even in future to improve our presence here and to better serve all our existing clients in the area. That are a lot.
What are the recent trends in the industry that's influencing Cefla for new products?
Okay, we are getting new partnership from the north to the south, and the intention is to get new employees in the area also, employed by Cefla itself. So for the future, we will work thanks to the support that already we have, but to the support of many other partners that they will distribute our product in the market, and even local people employed by us. That's our idea of growing in the next year.
Thank you, and have a great day ahead of this trade fair. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, and I wish you a good day.